What is the damage these tariffs and all have done to you?
Industry will shift.
Rishata.
So people are going out of job.
There is so much uncertainty that whether tariff is going to go high, tariff is going to go down. We are 100 years behind China.
These machines are from where?
But all made in China.
Made in China. And why is Bangladesh so competitive?
90% Bangladesh has women.
I noticed that you don't. Why not? और इस लाइन पे काटना है. तो पेड़ा काट दिया.
So here if you go wrong, then you've gone wrong.
How many people work here?
As we've got 3 units here, total of 500 people.
Namaskar.
Around 500 people are working in the 3 units.
Where do these guys come from? All local?
They are staying here, but all immigrant labor. A lot of it immigrant
From where?
labor. From UP, Bihar, everywhere.
How many
Shift
people
workers,
does
everything
the
stuff.
textile industry employ in India?
We are the second largest after agri. I don't know the exact number. The textile is the second largest for employment in India after agri. It's big. It's really big.
And you're saying that
it's very labor intensive. When you see a stitching, so each machine only one person can run. It's not like you cannot go on automation. Garment हाथ से ही बनना है. So like people have 10,000 machines. That means 10,000 तो सिर्फ वर्कर टेलर ही काम कर. उसके साथ आपको हेल्पर चाहिए, आपको टीम चाहिए, वो चाहिए. So like it is a very big employment. He's our store in charge. The complete fabric. So the process is fabric comes, fabric gets checked. Then
so this is where the fabric arrives.
yeah, fabric arrives. Fabric arrives from my factory also, which is a dyeing factory in UP, and we buy fabric from outside also. The fabric gets checked here, then it.
So this is you're focusing basically on this corduroy, this stuff.
Corduroy, denim, non-denim, garmenting, everything. Cottons. We don't do poly here. Cotton and natural fibers mostly. What we are doing. So this is the cutting department.
नमस्कार. क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ पे?
Layer लगा रहे हैं.
So what does layering mean?
लेयरिंग इज जब पैटर्न बना है तो उसके अंदर एक एवरेज निकलती है. तो एवरेज निकल के तो यहाँ पे उस एवरेज के हिसाब से 2 मीटर का लग गया. अब इसके अंदर ऊपर जैसे वो पैटर्न लगा है उसके ऊपर पैटर्न लगेगा, फिर उसकी कटिंग हुई.
अच्छा.
तो दैट इज हाउ द लेयरिंग है. वी डोंट कट सिंगल पीसेस. तो इसके अंदर अब ये छोटी लेयर इसलिए लग रही है क्योंकि जो एंड पल्ले निकलते हैं तो उसकी छोटी लेयर लगा के वी डोंट वेस्ट द फैब्रिक.
So what is the damage that this tariffs and all have done to you?
2 damages. First is orders have been on hold and the people are not releasing orders. Like American orders used to come suddenly 1 lakh meter, 2 lakh meter, and they used to store. Right now everyone is working hand to mouth. They don't want to stock. They don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. There is so much uncertainty that whether tariff is going to go high, tariff is going to go down. So no one is placing big quantities. They're all running hand to mouth.
Where are they buying from? Have they changed where they're buying from? Or
No,
that hasn't
it is
changed?
the same. People have negotiated. Prices have gone down. Bottom line, top line, everything is taking a hit for everyone. It is not us. all
But
big-
ours is higher, right? We're at 50% right now.
Yeah, ours is very high.
What is Bangladesh?
It's around 18 or 19.
Okay, so they have an advantage in
They
this.
have an advantage.
And China?
China is same as us, but China was always cheaper by 20-25% than us. So if China and us are same,
They win.
have a big advantage. Earlier the advantage was that China was higher than us.
What's the second problem?
Second problem is because of America going down, all the buyers have started going to Europe to get orders. So when they go to Europe, they are quoting lesser prices because earlier there were few people who are doing Europe. Now all the American people who are producing, they have gone to Europe and they are quoting them lower prices. The price competition has started. So everywhere it's taking a hit for us.
So now he's talking about 500% and he's
No, industry will shift.
Rishata.
So people are going out of job. There is no certainty for how the export is going to pan out for another 5 years down the line. So we don't know really what's going to happen.
So a lot of this is done manually.
A lot of done manually, but a lot of factories have automation also.
Now what is he doing?
He's going to, it's called ticketing. Now this pattern is being cut by this. Now this every part will be marked, will be ticketed. Then it will be bundled. Then it will go into stitching, where every ticket will be matched and the garment will be made.
Okay.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार लगातार निरंतर रूप से भारत के हितों के लिए जो निर्णय लेने हैं वो ले रही है राहुल गांधी जी को कोई नसीहत देने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, क्योंकि राहुल गांधी जी ने कभी भी कोई कसर छोड़ी नहीं। जब वो विदेश गए, भारत के हितों के विरोध में बोलना या भारत की अर्थव्यवस्था को मृत रूप से कहना, उसको मानना, ऐसा है नहीं। जहां तक नसीहत की बात है, वो अपनी पार्टी की चिंता कर ले तो मुझे लगता है वो ज्यादा उचित होगा। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार भारत के हितों के लिए लगातार निरंतर रूप से कार्य कर रही है।